In this video, you'll learn step by step how to prepare, conduct, and close a professional supplier audit. We'll cover objectives, planning, execution, reporting, corrective actions, and professional checklists. By the end, you'll know how to audit like a pro. A supplier audit is a systematic, documented evaluation of a supplier's processes, products, or systems to ensure they meet defined requirements. Its purpose is to verify compliance, identify areas for improvement, and reduce risk in the supply chain. Conducting audits ensures quality, minimizes risk, and improves overall supplier performance. There are several types of supplier audits, each focusing on a different aspect of supplier performance. System audits examine the overall management system to ensure it meets quality and regulatory standards. Process audits evaluate specific processes, looking at how tasks are executed and whether procedures are followed consistently. Product audits verify that the actual products meet specifications and quality requirements. Virtual audits are conducted remotely, using digital tools and documentation to assess supplier compliance when on-site visits are not possible. The supplier lifecycle defines the key stages a supplier goes through, and audit triggers are closely linked to them. It includes sourcing and qualification, approving new suppliers, production and performance, monitoring quality and delivery, development and improvement, driving continuous enhancement. Audits can be applied at each stage to manage risk and ensure compliance. A good auditor combines knowledge, skills, and professionalism to conduct effective supplier audits. Key skills include strong communication, clearly conveying expectations and findings, emotional intelligence, understanding and managing interactions with people, knowledge and experience, knowing audit processes, standards, and industry practices, objectiveness, staying impartial and unbiased, analytical thinking, interpreting data and observations to draw accurate conclusions. These skills ensure audits are thorough, fair, and impactful, helping suppliers improve and supporting overall supply chain excellence. A professional audit always starts with a well-prepared checklist. Paper forms are simple, but difficult to update, track, and archive. Digital checklists allow real-time notes, photo evidence, easier reporting, and better follow-up. No matter the form, a structured checklist ensures nothing is missed. Now it's time for audit preparation process. Step 1. Define audit objectives. Scope out what you'll be auditing, set clear purposes, and outline your goals. Typical activities. Brainstorm with stakeholders, establish the audit's boundaries, and document your objectives clearly and concisely. Step 2. Understand requirements. Now, dive into the details to ensure you're meeting all necessary standards. Typical activities. Research relevant regulations, standards, and policies. Consult with experts to clarify any ambiguities and ensure compliance. Step 3. Review previous audits and findings to identify areas of improvement and build on successes. Simply learn from the past. Typical activities. Analyze past reports, understand recurring issues, and strategize on how to address them effectively in the current audit. Step 4. Develop an audit plan that maps out your approach, methodology, and dates. It is like laying down the game plan. Remember to prepare an audit agenda too. Typical activities. Outline audit procedures, allocate resources, and create a timeline for smooth execution. Flexibility is key. Step 5. Communicate with the auditee. Connect with the auditee to ensure everyone's on the same page. Typical activities. Discuss the audit scope, purpose, goals. Share the agenda to foster collaboration and transparency. agree on the timeline. Step 6. Gather documentation. Let's get our paperwork in order. Gather all necessary documentation to support your audit. Typical activities. If needed, request and collect relevant documents from the auditee. Ensure everything is organized and accessible for the audit team. Step 7. Prepare tools and checklists you'll need for a thorough and systematic audit. Typical activities. Create, update, or customize checklists suitable to audit requirements and ensure all tools are in top-notch condition. And there you have it. Remember, a well-prepared audit sets the stage for success. Next phase is the audit execution. Step 1. Start with the opening meetings. This foundation sets the stage to foster collaboration. Typical activities. Set objectives, introduce audit participants, and outline expectations. It's the cornerstone, ensuring a unified approach to the audit mission. Step 2. Gather data. This phase involves delving into theoretical exploration and documenting insights through note-taking. Typical activities. Scrutinize documents, decode policies, and grasp the organization's intricacies. This step establishes the theoretical foundation for informed decision-making. Step 3. Conduct interviews, the bridge to practical insight. This step seamlessly connects theory to practice, unlocking valuable real-world insights. Remember to stay positive and friendly. Typical activities. Engage with key personnel, ask pertinent questions, and validate theoretical knowledge. This phase brings theory to life, providing practical insights into operations. Step 4. Observe. Gain a first-hand understanding of real-world functionality. Typical activities. Observe processes, identify nuances, and analyze discreetly. This step is akin to being a silent guardian, ensuring processes align with established standards. Step 5. Document findings. Craft an audit chronicle. Record meticulous observations diligently for a comprehensive audit record. Typical activities. Record findings systematically, organize data, and create a comprehensive summary. This step transforms observations into a tangible record for future analysis. Step 6. Communicate. Promptly share observations while upholding a standard of professional communication. Typical activities. Share insights, facilitate dialogue, and ensure transparent communication. This step is analogous to hosting a dynamic conversation and fostering collaboration. Step 7. End with the closing meeting. Share the audit outcomes, observations, and provide a concise summary conclusion. Typical activities. Summarize observations, address findings, and conclude with finesse. This step is the culmination, leaving all stakeholders with a clear understanding of the audit's outcomes. And there you have it. The last phase consists of post-audit activities. Step 1. Review audit outcome and findings. This entails re-evaluation of the observations and discoveries made during the audit. Typical activities. Analyze collected data, confirm accuracy, and align findings with objectives. This step lays the foundation for corrections and improvements. Step 2. Document audit report. This involves shaping the narrative of the audit findings into a comprehensive and structured draft document. Typical activities. Organize findings, structure recommendations, and draft a comprehensive report. Transform insights into a clear narrative for stakeholders' understanding. Step 3. Share audit report and findings. Communicate the audit results to relevant stakeholders. Typical activities. Communicate findings transparently to stakeholders. Present a concise summary fostering collaboration and understanding among all parties involved. Step 4. If applicable, address corrective actions. Collaborate with the auditee to initiate corrective measures in response to identified findings. Typical activities. Collaborate with the auditee, address concerns, and strategize corrective actions. Foster a proactive approach to improvement, ensuring alignment with organizational goals. Step 5. If needed, follow up on the implemented corrective actions. Evaluate the effectiveness of measures taken to address identified gaps. Typical activities. Monitor progress, assess effectiveness, and ensure sustained improvements. Transform recommendations into tangible results, promoting a culture of continuous improvement. Step 6. Issue, share, and archive final report. Simply speaking, finalize and close the audit. Typical activities. Officially issue the report, share insights with stakeholders, and archive documentation. This marks the culmination, providing a comprehensive record for future reference. Step 7. Take lessons learned. Use newfound wisdom to strategize for enhanced performance in future endeavors. Typical activities. Reflect on the audit process, gather insights, and strategize improvements for future audits. Continuous learning and refinement ensure an evolving and effective audit approach. And there you have it. Even experienced auditors make mistakes. The most common are turning audits into interrogations, focus on collaboration, not questioning, document-only checks, ignore what really happens on the floor, vague findings, unclear observations, reduce impact, no follow-up, failing to ensure corrective actions are done. Avoid these, and your audits stay effective and professional. You now know how to prepare, conduct, and close a professional supplier audit, and how to become a more aware, structured, and effective auditor. Subscribe to our channel for more practical supply chain and quality insights.